What?
Next time, listen to you. How about we go over the safety procedures? Yeah, that sounds okay.
Make sure to read all lab and safety operating procedures before conducting an activity and follow all instructors during the activity or investigation. Make sure to wear lab-appropriate clothing. Long hair should be tied back. Be wary of dangly jewelry and open-toe shoes. Wear goggles to protect your eyes. Eye wash and emergency shower should be near for emergencies. Never taste or smell a chemical solution. When checking for odor, waft by sweeping your hand over the container. Remember, hot glass looks the same as cold glass. Never sit or stand on laboratory elevated platforms. Sinks are used for disposal of water or other solutions must be placed in designated waste containers. No bags, books, or phones shall be in the lab area. Wear your goggles. Have extreme caution with all glass equipment. You break it, you pay for it. Have caution with projectiles, and remember, hot and cold glass look the same.
Run to the emergency! Run to the shower!